Welcome to Foreigner in the Philippines. I just give you an update on our house completion. The tiles is already finished. The tiles is finished. So now we're focusing now on the uh, blocking on the undernet on the house. So I'm gonna turn around the camera. Yeah. So as you notice there, they're already digging for the hollow blocks. Because it's gonna be hollow blocks there all the way. And then this is the area here. It's also dig out. And then they're gonna put a frame on that, a rebar, and then plywood, and then put some cement. So all the way. And then this area, it's gonna be level to here. So they're gonna put a lot of soil here before they're gonna cement. So all around. And then they're gonna put a post there so that we can cut this wood. So we're gonna turn around. Here it's already dig out. She's seen the post. This is what the post that we wanted, all post in the house. So that's it. It's very nice. It's a nice feelings that we finally able to have done. So they're gonna put a rebar there in that corner, same with here, and then put a blocks. But we make sure that there's two doors there. There's door over there on that corner that will so that the wood will some air, so that some air some breath. So as you've seen, we still have a lot of clean up to do, but we're doing that once the job is finished. And Nanay's house is very good. We're hoping tomorrow they're gonna do the wood now, framing the wood. Then on the next day they're gonna do the cladding. Then the next day is the floor. And then after that, we're hoping by Wednesday or Thursday, the longest is Friday, that the house finish. So again, that's an update. It's a very kind, what do you call that? It's a project that we really hold on. Because before we wanted to build Nanay's house, because we have more families that is needed more than Nanay. So we prioritize others, and Nanay understand it, and he's also thinking about it. So he said it's fine, but now that we have time, so we make sure that before we come back on our mission, Nanay is well taken care of. So again, by next week or Thursday or Friday, we will be in Cebu, because even Thursday or Friday we will be in Cebu, because we're gonna do also we're gonna see an urologist for Nanay, because it's one of the advice of the doctor in Talibon during her hospitalizations, that we need a specialist for urologist. So since Terence needs also to see the urologist, so we just combined it. So again, that's an update of our life. Have a good day and God bless.